He fucking that shit up.
Hey, but you gotta cut some shit because by the time you done eating this, you gonna be a top 2.
I'm about to blow.
He needs some milk.
I'm not sure, but it smell like shit.
Nice.
You're gonna throw all this garbage into the hot box.
Michael, don't leave me here.
The next morning.
Hello, motherfucker.
So good and tasty.